So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on start lab and open the console incognito window. Now if you're new to this channel, do like the video and just subscribe the channel. Now from here click on it to activate the cloud shell. Click on continue. Click on authorize. Now in the description box I've shared this repository. You have to simply select it, paste over here, hit enter. Now let me increase the text size. So finally here you can see all these things are done, means all the tasks are done. Just simply check the score. And if you're wondering how to enable the yellow check my progress bar, you can check the video description. So this is how we completed the lab. Do like the video and just subscribe the channel.